So as you can see from yesterday, I already started doing about $600 to $500 a day in affiliate commissions and in complete autopilot. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same using this brand new tool that we never talked about before.
Just to recap for you guys a little bit, in this video he claims that you can make $500 a day using this method. So let's see what he actually does.
So you see, the website I'm talking about here is called I Love PDFs. It's literally ilovepdf.com. And this is a tool that will allow you to edit PDF. It will allow you to turn PDF into PowerPoint. It's basically like everything related to PDF that you can think of, it's here.
Actually, this is a very good site to use, especially for projects that you have, but I don't see it how you can make money with this.
We're going to use it to edit PDF. So we're going to click on edit PDF and you're going to be uploading PDF files here to make money. But in order to first of all get paid, you need to sign up to this platform where you can actually collect the earnings.
So you see what he did there? I don't know why he started with ilovepdf.com. All he needed to say was that we needed to make money through affiliate marketing. So this website that he's going to show us is basically like ClickBank.
The platform is called Warrior Plus, the platform where I'm currently doing about $600 to $500 a day. And Warrior Plus is a platform where you can find a lot of different make money online related software.
To get around $500 a day through affiliate marketing, you will need a big audience, as I've always said. So it's useless saying that he's making around that much money because he has a big audience already. But we, as we are starting out, we will find it much harder to get the first sale, let alone $500 every day.
Now the next step that you gotta complete is you wanna go over to freeplrdownloads.com, and PLR stands for private label rights, which means that these books that are listed on freeplrdownloads.com give you full rights to do whatever you want with.
Now I get him. The second step is to put the affiliate links into the PLR books. Now with the PLR books you can basically resell them. But the thing is, these will be hard to sell. And I'll tell you why. These books, if you have seen them, are very, very old. Some of them are from 2005, 2003, so you can imagine the type of content that there is. Don't be fooled by everything you see on the internet, guys.
Now once that is onto your computer, you simply want to go back to I Love PDF and click on select a PDF file. And then you just want to upload your ebook. You want to open up that zip folder and then you want to upload a PDF document.
This is why he wanted to use ilovepdf.com. And that is to insert the affiliate links into the book.
So now you just need traffic for that book. So you just need to start sharing this book with as many people as possible.
Yes, it's no wonder that we need traffic, but how do we get the traffic?
And one of the easiest ways to do that while making money on top of all of that is to just go over to Amazon Kindle, because you can see that people are selling their ebooks for like $10, $15, $17, $11.
So now we've come to the conclusion that his advice is actually worthless and it's useless spending a lot of time watching his videos, guys. Now I don't mean to shame him, but it's just the reality. So this was simple affiliate marketing, but he stretched it way too long. Now the Amazon Kindle is just the cherry on the cake. You can actually make money using Amazon Kindle, but not this way, not with PLRs. PLRs are actually very old, and to actually make sales from them, you will need some audience, some gullible audiences, so that they will actually buy the product. Not like this. When you go to list a product on Amazon Kindle, if you're already not a reliable author, you won't get as many sales. Now Dave Nick's numbers are obviously inflated, and that is to keep you watching. That is the secret, to keep you guys hooked. Now, that's it for this video. Leave a comment down below on what you would like to see next. I'll see you in the next one.